Okay, so we finished the payroll grid and we are now on step 3, which is the payroll complete screen. And this is where you verify your totals and you can get your bank cash requirements. And now suddenly you realize, oh, I got to make some changes that I forgot on the payroll. So at this point, you can click the back to edit payroll button. And instead of seeing the payroll grid, you're going to see the individual view for all the paychecks. Okay, and I have 5 paychecks. These are the employees that were paid. You can see the paychecks individually here. But I'm in here because I forgot to pay Sandy Clam. So over here, I can click that new button, payroll, and look for Sandy Clam, add her to the payroll. Okay, so now she's set up for a default salary of the $1,500, but we gave her a bonus and we gave her 500. So you can make the change here and save and calculate, and it'll calculate your new net pay. Okay. When we gave her that $500 bonus in the check, we actually gave her an advance last week, so that's going to be a deduction. So any one-time overrides are made on this screen here. So you can click Add Deduction. Okay. We gave her a loan, and we gave her a loan of $250 of that $500 advance. And again, you can save and calculate. Okay. On the screen, you could also delete. So if you didn't want to give her the bonus or take it back, you can do that. Hit the delete, take the loan back. Okay. Always make sure you hit save and calculate. Memos are usually like a retirement plan contribution. Local taxes are not going to apply unless you are in New York City or somewhere in Pennsylvania. Okay. Some other options on here. For the accruals, if you don't want them to accrue on this check or on a second check, for example. Settings button, you should not have to change anything in here. Everything should default. Right? You make your changes, add your earnings, or delete your earnings. Right? And again, it's individual pay. It's not the grid. And this is how you use the edit payroll screen. Okay? Save and calculate your changes. Continue. And again, most importantly, do your totals. Here's your gross bank requirement. You want to send us a note with the payroll, you can. But please, please, please remember to hit that submit button. And once you hit that submit button, make sure you get the fireworks confetti here. And you should be all set.